Hey everybody, Laura with AudioControl here with a quick guide on using the summing feature on your AudioControl DSP. The information I talk about here will be relevant whether you have a DM series product or a D series amplifier. Let's get started. On our DSPs, summing tells the output which input to listen to. If no inputs are selected here, then no audio will output to this channel. For our first example, I have my full range front speakers going into inputs 1 and 2, and I'm using the 3 and 4 outputs to power my front door speakers. In the output view on channel 3 and 4, I'll make sure that the input 1 and 2 is selected, and now I have a front signal playing out to my door that I can cross over and EQ as needed. But what if you need to generate a full range signal, but inputs 1 and 2 only have high frequencies and 3 and 4 only have mids? On your chosen output, you can sum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 together, so now you have a full range output. The channels highlighted blue are being summed together on the selected output. If you have the ACBT24 or another digital input running into your device, that signal will be sent to the last input on your device. On the DM810, the D5.1300, and the D6.1200, the digital input is sent to input 7 and 8. For the DM608, the digital signal is sent to input 5 and 6, and on the D4.800, it's on the front high channel. If you want to stream digital audio through the device, this channel will need to be summed to your selected output. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest information on AudioControl products.